is yina suereal 1007 multi-coffee milk model. Today we make the milk foam and the Turkey coffee. Milk foam, the milk over the mixing head is enough. This Turkey coffee. We choose the hot milk foam function. This Turkey coffee function. When the temperature is 40 degrees, the mixing head is working. This mixed head is working. Now it's 6 degrees, you hear 3 sounds, then the heat stop function. But the stirring function still working 1 minute. Now it's stopped working. We check the milk foam. On top is thick foam. Inside is milk. On top is thick foam. If you want to fold the nutty foam, then you can press this button again. Press this button, stirring function will work in 1 more minute. You can repeat this operation 7 times. Normal repeat 1 time is enough. This Turkey coffee, when temperature is 92 degrees, it will stop working. Now Turkey coffee is okay, 92 degrees. This Turkey coffee. And this 1 more minute operation. Then the milk foam. This can good for the nutty cappuccino foam. This Turkey coffee. Then a good foam, coffee foam on top. We can put the foam on the coffee top. You see, this still have good foam. Now it's ready.